next part of the LinkedIn profile where you can build your personal brand is the banner. And you can see I have the sliding banner. I did a video on YouTube about the LinkedIn banner. It is my most viewed video. I will share a link in the description. If you don't have the slideshow or this scrolling banner, don't worry about it. In fact, as you can see, it's pretty distracting. I mean, it's a great way for me to showcase all my expertise, showcase my personal brand, but you can do it in just one banner image. The colors on my banner have my brand colors: gold, red, black, white. My images or my photographs have me wearing my brand colors. It also showcases what I want to be known for, which is a LinkedIn coach and the founder of the Expat Woman, and I do public speaking. I have this YouTube video or YouTube channel. I also have the Expat Woman YouTube channel. So I showcase all of that in the banner. Now, if you have a single banner, you don't want it to be too busy. My case, I have the option because I have 5 different banners I can upload in the slideshow. But if you just have one banner, just try to keep it clean and show precisely what you want to be known for. Okay, so that's the second section. The third is your headline. You want to share what you do, who you help, how you help them, etc. So I'm helping women make bold moves abroad. Okay, so I'm the Expat Woman founder and CEO. I'm also a LinkedIn coach for expats, executives, and entrepreneurs. And then I'm a community builder, speaker, and aspiring YouTuber. So that's my personal brand showcased in my headline on LinkedIn. You have 250 characters, so you have enough space. That's the first part of your profile.